Just 3 ingredients and it's ready to go. This is fruits called star apple, and it's not even taste like an apple or shaped like a star. This one tastes sweet and watery. Hello amazing people, how are you today? It's me here and welcome to my vlog. Today we're gonna make something for lunch that just 3 ingredients and it's ready to go. So to know what it is, just keep on watching. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's start for our boiling water and cook some pasta. I'm sure most of you are already have the idea what is the recipe for today, and if you see, it's just 3 ingredients, and if you are foreigners, I know you all guess what it is. So let me know in the comment down below right now. I really enjoy and appreciate you all for the support that you give to my channel from start till now. And even I just here in the house and doing some cooking video, that still happy and glad and grateful that you all still here to watching and join me for every video that I was made. And thank you for always give that a thumbs up. It's really mean a lot for me, and that's the reason why I love to create a video, because you are all really nice people. Thank you so much for that. So I was making right now a macaroni, and it's look like our pasta is ready. This one is mix of a different kinds of pasta, and it's look like yellow but just look like white in the camera. It's kind of weird because it's look like really white in the camera, but in actual it's a little bit color yellow. Are you ready? The pasta is ready. Alright, everything is ready right now, so we are ready to cook, and it's almost done. It's really fast to done with this, and I do so many research and I watching so many videos to know how to make this one. So I was hoping that I really made it right. So these all the ingredients that we need. We use powdered milk, we have the cheese, and then the pasta as well. So mostly here in the Philippines we are using a powdered milk, so that's popular here a lot. But you can buy evaporated milk that's in the can, but it's a little bit high price. But you can use the powder. I boiling the water and then I put the powder in it to make it melt, and then this was the milk that we are using to make this recipe really creamy. So we add some seasoning on it to make it taste more better. We put the pasta in the milk and mix it well. The pasta is already cooked, so you don't need to make it long time. So I just measured how lots the milk that we are needed for this, and then that's pretty much it. So when everything is ready, lastly you add the cheese on it and it's ready to go. That's the three ingredients that we have for this mac and cheese recipe. Let's eat. After I cooking, anyway, I do cleaning because we are near in the farm and beside of the coconut tree, so the ant is really lots in here, really lots. Hello everyone, this is the first time ever that I was making this mac and cheese. Yeah, so the macaroni we have here is kind of different, but this one I just try and I don't know what the taste yet, so let's try. I don't know if I do the right thing to make it or it's wrong, so maybe all of you know this recipe, so let me know in the comment down below how you made it. So if this one not really tastes good, we can make a better one in the future. Okay, let's try. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. I like the cheese. For me, it's already perfect, so that is really good. I'm really excited to try new food every day, so this one of those. Mmm, creamy and milky. You see that? So we just have our new chicken. Look at those little chicken in there. Because if you all remember, if you're watching my old videos before, that all our chicken, I think it about 5 months ago or 3 months, that all our chicken is dying because this sick of the thing called bird flu, something like a virus of a chicken. So all the chicken is gone and we starting to take care of the chicken again, but hope they not get sick like before, because we have so many chicken before and they all die, from big chicken to little one. Hello amazing people, good afternoon. So I just done my lunch. That's pretty good. Alright, it's back to be sunny again here, and as always the water well is empty. And update the farm, look at here, there's already have a rice seeds, and this one I think in a few weeks it will be started to harvest. Around there most of the farm are starting to do harvest, so the harvest to the whole place here will be takes maybe this month. Everything will be done easily and fast because of the machine is really fast to do harvest the rice. Just hours of 1 hectare of the rice, it's done in 1 hour or 2. But before, when they use like a handmade kind of harvest, it takes them to like all day to cut the rice and put tie on it and then put this in the one place, and at night they do tracer on it to remove the seeds from the leaf of the rice. So it's a lot of work, but in that day most of us, me and everyone who don't have their own farm, they can work, they can do things in the farm like for free, and they have so many incomes. So most of the people here, like there is some make a business because the people able to buy something if they sell something also here, because most of the people have the work here in the farm, but because of the machine we can't. So the harvest, it's just like ordinary day to those people who don't have their own farm. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you always enjoy this one. I want to say thank you to all of you again for always supporting my channel, to always watching my video. I can't believe that for 3 years that I was waiting for, it's finally here, and I finally reached all the requirements. So I hope that you still there. It's just, let's think like it's just a start of my journey as a creator. So good luck to us, everyone. Always remember to take care, stay safe, and God will bless you all as always because of the kindness heart that you are. Always stay blessed. I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone. If ever you do enjoy this vlog and you want to watch more, just click here for more amazing video. Here or here. I really appreciate if you watch more of my videos. Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Barney is there. It's a hot day.